Welcome to IIT Roorkee's weekly Startup Digest. As India enters a golden age for tech-based startups, let's start our news from the one which was the first to bring full-stack digital finance infrastructure in India for the startup ecosystem. Yes, you got it right. It's IIT Roorkee's fintech startup unicorn Razorpay, second Indian company to get selected by Y Combinator's and is now jointly working with MasterCard. Next news comes from India's top women-centric online marketplace, Nykaa, with around 15 million registered users. The brand is planning to release IPO. The size of the public offering is between $500 to $700 million. Last news in the IPO section comes from an investment advisory institute, Kotak Investment Advisors Limited. The alternative assets arm of the Kotak Mahindra Group has launched the Kotak Pre-IPO Opportunities Fund. Investing in pre-IPO companies has interested many investors in India. Now let's move to the funding and acquisition section. A few companies have managed to retain their business during COVID, but only a small number from them, like Flipkart, saw a surge in demand for services, and with such a high demand product, investors like SoftBank are planning to invest $700 million in Flipkart. The pandemic has created a huge number of job losses, but Indian entrepreneurs have proved that Indians can switch gears from job seekers to job givers. And it is evident from the fact that Urban Company enters Unicorn Club with $255 million funding from Series F round, which was led by Process. The company provides a platform to connect trained personnel and customers. Last news in this section comes from Delhivery, an Indian delivery company founded in 2011 that has managed to raise $275 million funding ahead of IPO. This is the Series H funding round for the logistics unicorn, which saw participation from investment firm Fidelity, Singapore Sovereign Wealth Fund GIC, Abu Dhabi's Chimera, and UK's Baillie Gifford. Now let's see the announcement from the Government of India section. DPIIT, the flagship initiative of the Indian government aiming to catalyze startup culture and build a strong and inclusive ecosystem for innovation and entrepreneurship in India, has recognized 50,000 startups that are eligible to avail the benefits across a range of laws, regulations, fiscal and infrastructural support. Last news of the day comes from Bihar, as India is amongst the top 5 e-waste contributors in the world, generating an estimated 2 million tons annually. Bihar government wants to tackle this issue and is taking a big leap in e-waste management that has authorized 142 e-waste collection points and has initiated awareness drives about e-waste hazards. Comment the news you like the most in the comment section below.